Having a baby is a blessing, and nothing can be compared to the happiness one gets when they get the news of being pregnant. But being pregnant is a tough job. Your body changes. Your whole life changes. Even the most simple of the decisions, like having a paracetamol for fever, isn't a simple decision anymore. So, how do you know what to do? How do you know what is best for your baby and you? Presenting HMom, a mobile app and a comprehensive pregnancy management platform that caters to all your needs, securing you from complication. Just enter your last menstrual cycle date and get daily updates about the growth of your baby. Get to know about the correct nutritional diets and exercises required in pregnancy. And guess what? With HMom, you can connect with your doctor and enjoy features like callback, booking appointments, consultation, uploading medical reports, and get online prescriptions as well. That's not all. The app also provides you with tools like kick counter, contractions timer, hypertension, and blood sugar level recorder. HMom also provides a risk analysis and prenatal checks schedule. Wait, there's more. HMom provides you a platform where you can connect through the bond of motherhood and share your daily experiences with other expectant mothers. Jessica, the chatbot will be of service 24/7 for any kind of queries. With HMom, create your bond.